how to download and install Telegram. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Telegram app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. I'm showing this on an iPhone, but you can follow the same steps on Android. First, open your phone's App Store. On iPhone, tap the App Store. On Android, open the Play Store. Next, tap the search icon at the bottom and type Telegram into the search bar. When you see Telegram Messenger, tap Get or Install to start downloading. Wait a moment for it to finish. Once it's done, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app. At the bottom of the screen, tap Start Messaging. You'll be asked to enter your phone number. After the activation of your phone number, you will be able to use Telegram. Once you're verified, you can choose to share your contacts so you can see who else is using Telegram. Now you're ready to start. Your chats will appear on the main screen. You can also explore groups and channels to join conversations on topics you like. That's it. You've successfully installed and set up Telegram. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more helpful guides.